Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on the crypto.com exchange. USD, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin and crypto.com provides a straightforward way to acquire it. We'll walk through the entire process, from funding your account to placing your buy order and confirming your new assets. This guide will help you confidently navigate the steps to add USD to your crypto portfolio. First, you need to fund your crypto.com account. You can deposit fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, directly from your bank. Alternatively, link a debit or credit card for instant purchases, though fees may apply. Always check the specific deposit limits and any associated transaction fees before initiating a transfer to ensure a smooth process. Once your account is funded, navigate to the Buy section within the crypto.com app or exchange interface. Select USD from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose your payment method, whether it's your fiat wallet balance or a linked card. Carefully review the amount, price, and any fees displayed before you confirm your purchase to complete the transaction. After your purchase, you can review your transaction history to confirm your new USD balance. You might consider transferring your USD to a personal, secure wallet for enhanced control and security. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these containers, as well as other great deals and resources mentioned in this video. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.